Hi everyone, this is Julie. Thank you for stopping by to share with me today. I hope you're having a fantabulous day today. Welcome to Truth Seeker channel. And in today's video, I'll briefly look at a plant called Hoodia Gordonii. That's the botanical name, Hoodia Gordonii. Common names include Hoodia, Bushman's Act, Zoba, and Hoodia cactus, even though it is said to be not a true cactus. It is a succulent perennial, and the parts used medicinally are usually the fresh or dried stem. Hoodia is a leafless, spiny succulent native of the semi-arid regions of southern Africa, primarily Namibia, Botswana, and South Africa's Kalahari Desert. It grows in clumps of up to 60 centimeters tall, with upright green stems covered in sharp spines. The plant produces large, fleshy, malodorous flowers, purple to brownish red in color, that smells like rotten meat to attract flies for pollination. Hoodia is considered to be a relative of the milkweed and so exudes a milky sap when cut. Let's hear what Dr. Sebi had to say about Hoodia.
Then we go a little bit now to the south of Guinea and we find Namibia. Namibia has another plant known as the Hoodia. This is a plant that upon ingesting it, you will not eat for days because it is nourishing every cell in your body.
In line with what you just heard Dr. Sebi mentioning about Hoodia, it is said that Hoodia has been used for centuries by the indigenous San or Bushmen of the Kalahari Desert as a survival food and thirst quencher during long hunting trips. They chewed the fresh stems to suppress hunger and thirst, sometimes going for days without eating in the harsh desert climate. In traditional practice, it was not used for weight loss or cosmetic goals, but rather as a functional aid for endurance and energy conservation. And as such, its medicinal actions are: 1. Appetite suppressant. It reduces hunger signals in the brain. 2. Thirst suppressant. It reduces fluid intake needs. 3. Mild energy enhancer. It supports endurance without stimulants. In terms of the modern uses, it's used for weight loss support, for appetite control, and also as an aid for individuals with metabolic syndrome. In terms of preparation and dosage, traditionally the fresh stems were peeled off the spine, then chewed or sucked for the juice. It was not boiled or extracted in any other way. It was usually used raw. In terms of the modern supplementation, it is usually in capsule or powder form. And it's important to note that authentic Hoodia is rare and expensive. Many products are counterfeit or diluted. And this is partly because of over-harvesting, and so there had to be focus on sustainability and conservation. Hoodia has become endangered in parts of its native range due to over-harvesting for the global supplement market. It is now protected under CITES, that's CITES, Convention on International Trade Endangered Species, meaning export requires special permits. Cultivation programs have been developed to reduce wild harvesting pressure. And so that is one of the issues that it's important to note this. While the San people used it effectively for endurance in extreme climates, modern commercial interest in Hoodia for weight loss has raised issues of authenticity, over-harvesting, and inconsistent research results. Just keep in mind that what you may be buying and thinking it's Hoodia might not be Hoodia at all. It could be related species that might not have the exact benefits, even though they may be similar in some way. It could also be totally different species of plant that you could be buying and think it's Hoodia. So let me know what you think below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Ta-ta!